How to change lobby theme in Marvel Future Fight. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can change your lobby theme in Marvel Future Fight easily. First of all, launch open Marvel Future Fight game on your device and log in. From the home screen or the lobby screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu button. Once you're inside the menu button, go ahead and look for the main button under store, and then from the store page, scroll down and look for lobby theme button, tap on it, and then you'll be able to see several different lobby options on the right corner. Tap on one of the lobby themes you'd like to purchase or add, and yes, you'll need to purchase the lobby in order to add it as a theme. Select which theme you'd like to purchase, and you'll be able to see the lobby screen changed over here. After making a selection, go to the bottom of the screen and look for the amount you need to pay. You can purchase the theme via coins or via diamonds. Select which method you'd like to use and click on the purchase button. Now go ahead and click purchase once again to confirm, and you have successfully changed your theme in your lobby. Now click on the apply button to apply the theme, and there you go. That is how you can easily apply the theme or purchase a lobby theme in Marvel Future Fight. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.